Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will discuss the selective inventory control techniques. We know that inventory and also we know that one the inventory control. But what is the mean by selective inventory control? So we know that inventory is the stock of the items for the future use and inventory control is the how much quantity to give the order to maintain a low inventory cost. Selective inventory control is the only selective items are controlled by applying the inventory control policies. The name only indicating that selective items only controlling for inventory. In the previous lectures, we discussed the single item inventory models. But in general, industries maintain a variety of items in a huge quantity in its inventories. In practice, when a firm maintains a variety of items, that too in a large quantities in its inventories. But all the items no need to give the equal priority in its inventories because all items are not having the equal importance in the terms of its cost, availability, sales, profits and etc. So all the items obviously need not to be controlled with equal attention because all items are not of equal importance to the firms in such as sales profits and its availability. By selectively applying inventory control policies to these different groups, inventory objectives can be achieved with a lower inventory levels that with a single policy applied to all the items. So here we have to apply the only few selected items. So here we have to make the group among the all the items based on its importance and apply the inventory policy per the selected group. For this, groups are selected and groups are classified by the applying the different inventory control techniques. These techniques are also known as the selective multi-item inventory control techniques. Let's see what are the different selective inventory control techniques are there. So this group classification is classified. So different techniques are there. First one is the ABC analysis, VED, HML, FSN, XYZ, SOS and the STE analysis. So let's discuss one by one. So what do you mean by ABC analysis? So ABC analysis, here we are making the three groups. So that one is the group A, group B and group C. So these groups are classified based on its value of consumption. So based on its consumption value, we are classified the items, that is the three classification. So class A, class B and the class C. And the purpose of this ABC analysis is classified the items. So purpose is to control the raw materials, components and work in progress inventories in the normal course of business. Second one is the HML analysis. So in the HML analysis, we are classified the items based on its unit price of the material. Here H is the high price, medium price and the low price. Based on its items price, we are classified into the three different categories. So main purpose of this HML analysis is to control a purchases. Next one is the VED analysis. So here we are classified the items into the three categories. First one is the vital, second one is the essential and the desirable. Here we are making the classified the items based on its criticality of the components. So based on its availability. So some items is not available in the market. So for this one, I have to maintain the huge inventories. Purpose of this video analysis is to determine the stocking levels of spare parts. So next one is the FSN, fast, slow and non-moving. So this classification is classified the items 3 categories. First one is the fast consumption rate, how much rate it's consuming. So next one is the slow consumption rate. So next one is the non-moving. Based on its consumption rate, we are classified the 3 categories, that is the fast, slow and the non-moving. The purpose of this analysis is to control the obsolescence. So next classification is the SDE analysis. So this classification is based on the problems faced in procurement time. So just we have to, when the quantities came to the reorder level, then we have to go for the order such items. Then it will time take. So ordering time to this once again take to the inventory time, that is we are calling as the leading time. Few items it will take the too much time. So that is we are calling as the scare items. Some difficulty is a medium time, it will take the, so to reach the inventory, that is we are calling a difficulty. Next, easy to obtain. So depend upon the problems facing in the procurement time, we are classified the 3 categories, that is the STE groups. Main purpose of this one is to lead time analysis and the purchasing strategies. Next analysis is the goal, that is the government, ordinary, local and the foreign sources. This goal analysis is, here we are making the items, 3 categories based on the source of material. Few items are available from the government organization, so we have to, for the procurement of these items, we have to go for the different procurement strategies we have to apply. So some items are locally available, some items are available in the foreign markets. So depend upon it's a source of material, here we are classified the different categories. The purpose of this goal analysis is the procurement strategies. And the last one is the SOS analysis, seasonal and the off-seasonal. Few items seasonal available, few items are off-season also it will be available. Depend upon that one, have to maintain the quantity of the inventory. So here in the SOS analysis, we are making the two categories. One is the seasonal and second one is the off-seasonal. It is based on the nature of supplies. Purpose is the procurement or holding strategies for the seasonal items. So thank you.